This is Instant Pot, 7-in-1. Pressure cooker, saute pan, steamer, slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, and yogurt maker. And it got 13 preset programs. Let's open the box. Okay, what's inside? There's a lid, there is the stainless steel inner pot, and this is the pot itself. Alright, it got a steam rack with the handles and the guide. Perfect. So this is the manual. This is power cord. All right. All right, this is the pot. It's pretty heavy. You see this metal? And this is the rack for steaming. Pretty handy. And this is the inner pot. It's not like a thin pot, it's pretty thick. They got some thickness in there and it's pretty heavy. I think you can cook on this just right on top of the stove. And you see the thickness at the bottom? Good. Alright, this is the heating pad. And here are the presets. You can do soup, meat, stew, bean chili, poultry, slow cook, saute, pressure level you can adjust, just keep warm. Oh, you got delay start, great. Rice, multi-grain, porridge, steam, yogurt. I don't know how that yogurt works. And this is a pressure cook, less pressure, high pressure. You can adjust the pressure. I think the quality is pretty good, and here is the metal as well. And the volume is 6 quart. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.